Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best eyeglass cleaner lens is probably one of the most overlooked accessories, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining clear vision and extending the lifespan of your eyewear. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of eyeglass cleaners, exploring various options, from sprays and wipes to specialized solutions, and helping you find the perfect product to keep your lenses spotless and your vision sharp, so you can see the world in perfect clarity. Number 5. CareTouch Lens Wipes, Eyeglasses, Sunglasses and Screens. Introducing CareTouch Lens Wipes, the perfect solution for keeping your devices clean. These individually wrapped wipes are designed for convenience, making it easy to clean anytime, anywhere. This pack includes 210 pre-moistened wipes, ensuring you always have one on hand. The compact design makes them ideal for travel, fitting easily in your pocket or bag. The fast-drying formula leaves no streaks or residue, providing a clear view every time. It's perfect for eyeglasses, sunglasses, and all your screens. The soft material ensures gentle cleaning, protecting delicate surfaces from scratches. You can safely use it on glasses, camera lenses, and more. Each wipe measures 5 by 6 inches, providing ample coverage for larger surfaces. It's suitable for cleaning tablets, smartphones, and all your optical devices. These individually wrapped wipes are easy to carry, providing quick and portable cleaning solutions. Keep them in your car, purse, or office for instant cleaning. What we like? This product's individually wrapped design makes it super convenient. It's fast-drying and gentle, so you don't have to worry about streaks or scratches. If you are always on the go and need a quick and easy solution to keep your glasses clean, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? The spray bottle is a nice size and easy to use. The microfiber cloths are soft and do not scratch the lenses. It cleans my glasses very well. Number 4. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 6-pack. This is the ultimate cleaning solution. It's designed to gently and effectively clean a variety of surfaces, leaving them spotless and streak-free. Made from high-quality microfiber, it absorbs and removes dust, oil, and smudges. It leaves no scratches or lint behind, ensuring a perfect clean every time. This cloth is perfect for eyeglasses, lenses, and all types of screens. It's also great for cleaning laptops, phones, and even your car's interior. It's versatile and easy to use. Each cloth comes in its own poly bag to keep it clean and ready to use. The delicate craftsmanship allows for use on any delicate surface. It's designed to protect your valuable items. Get magical results with this cleaning cloth. It's the perfect solution for keeping your belongings clean and looking their best. Try it today and see the difference. What we like? This product uses high-quality microfiber for effective cleaning. It's designed for versatile use on various surfaces, from glasses to screens. If you are looking for a reusable and eco-friendly option that can handle all your cleaning needs, you should consider this. What people say? These are high quality, a good size, and are better than I expected. Great for cleaning our iPads, phones, glasses, laptops, etc. They're incredibly effective for cleaning glasses, screens, laptops, tablets, and phones, leaving everything crystal clear with zero streaks. The cloths are soft yet have enough structure to make wiping easy without being flimsy. They're gentle on delicate surfaces but tough enough to remove smudges and fingerprints. Number 3. CarbonKlean Peeps Glasses Cleaner. Tired of smudges and streaks? This innovative cleaner uses carbon microfiber technology to give you crystal clear vision. It's a simple solution for spotless lenses. Did you know NASA uses similar technology? This lens cleaning kit can clean your glasses up to 500 times. It's a reliable choice for superior cleaning. This compact cleaner is designed for your on-the-go lifestyle. Its small size makes it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. Enjoy clean glasses wherever you are. This cleaning kit is safe for all types of glasses. Whether it's eyeglasses, sunglasses, or reading glasses, it works effectively. It's a versatile solution for all your lens cleaning needs. Experience the future of lens cleaning. This groundbreaking technology eliminates the hassle of traditional methods. See the world with unparalleled clarity. What we like? This product uses carbon microfiber technology for a superior clean. It's the same lens cleaner used by NASA, ensuring top-notch performance. If you like innovative technology and want a compact, effective cleaner, you'll love it. What people say. This compact little tool works efficiently to remove smudges, fingerprints, and dirt from my lenses without leaving any streaks behind. The carbon-based cleaning pads work magic and last for a long time without losing their effectiveness. So easy to use, and glasses are clean with a single swipe, no spray needed, no special cloth needed, and when you're done it fits in your pocket or purse. Number 2. ZEISS Lens Cleaning Wipes, 200 count. These pre-moistened wipes are designed to gently clean your glasses and lenses. They are perfect for everyday use, ensuring your vision is always clear. You can safely use these wipes on lenses with anti-reflective coatings or prescription glasses. It is designed to protect your lenses while cleaning them. ZEISS Lens Wipes effectively clean your lenses without leaving any streaks or residue behind. This ensures a clear and unobstructed view. Rest assured, these wipes are guaranteed not to scratch your glasses or lenses. They are designed to keep your lenses in perfect condition. Each wipe is individually wrapped, making them perfect for on-the-go use. Simply grab one and keep your lenses clean wherever you are. What we like. This product offers pre-moistened wipes that are safe for all lenses. They are convenient and disposable, making them perfect for quick cleanups. If you have anti-reflective lenses or need a hassle-free cleaning solution, this is a great option. What people say. My glasses never get scratched using these. They clean well but dry fast after using. They clean very well without leaving any streaks or cloudy film. Number 1. Optix 55 Lens Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Optix 55 Lens Cleaner Kit. This kit includes everything you need to keep your lenses and screen sparkling clean. It's a complete solution for all your cleaning needs. Each kit comes with multiple bottles of lens cleaner and several microfiber cloths. You'll have plenty of cleaner to keep on hand, and the cloths are reusable. This lens spray and cloths are designed to leave no streaks or smudges behind. It's safe for all types of lenses and screens, ensuring a crystal clear view. The cleaner is alcohol and ammonia-free, so it's gentle on your lenses. It effectively removes dirt and grime without any harsh chemicals or unpleasant odors. The kit is compact and portable, making it ideal for travel. It easily fits in your bag or purse, so you can keep your lenses clean wherever you go. Join thousands of satisfied customers who trust Optix 55. It's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Get yours today and enjoy streak-free lenses. What we like. This product is alcohol and ammonia-free, ensuring a streak-free clean. It comes in a travel-friendly kit, perfect for on-the-go use. If you are looking for a safe and effective cleaner that you can take anywhere, this is the one for you. What people say. Streak-free clean every time and unscented. This pack includes 2 huge bottles, a small bottle for travel and also 3 fabric wipes in a special carrying case. The spray is good, not sure if it's part of the deal but dust seems to not gather as much, which is a plus for me. Well packaged, the towels each come in separate plastic bags, really good ones, easy to put in the pocket, and they are also bigger than the regular ones you get with your glasses, almost double the size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.